In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet the Tunisian crochet. To begin, you're gonna need a crochet hook. There is specialty crochet hooks that you can find on Amazon that are specifically made for Tunisian crochet. But I will be using a regular hook and some yarn. To begin, you're gonna need to start with the slip knot for the foundation row, and we're gonna make 7 stitches. We're gonna chain 7. So in total you'll have 8 stitches for the base row of the Tunisian crochet. So you skip the first one, you flip the stitches like this, and you work on the back side, taking loops out of each of these bumpy stitches on the back until you have the exact amount of stitches as the base row. So there are going to be 7 stitches because we skipped the first one. So after the base row, you start by going through the first loop and then crochet 2 loops together. Go through the next 2 loops again, 2 loops, go through the next 2 loops, and then through the last 2 loops. On the next row, which is not the cast on row, it's the first row where we're gonna do the simple stitch, Tunisian simple stitch. So you skip the first one and you take the front part of the second loop to form the new stitches for the next row. On the last stitch, you do it like this. You go through the first loop, At the end of the row you have to find the front and the back of the stitch, so you can have both of the fibers together. For the last loop. And the last stitch. And here's how to finish the last row. And this is my swatch piece. That's the last row. Beautiful on the sides too, and the base as well. I hope you like it. If you like to support my channel, please give a like, subscribe, share or comment.